Hello friends, today's topic, this quarter no rise in profit in Titan stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today we are covering three topics. Topic number one is Titan company announced its quarter results last evening after market hours. Total sale October-December 2023 14,164 crores. October-December 2024 17,740 crores plus 25%. Net profit October-December 2023 1,053 crores. October-December 2024 1,047 crores and minus 0.6%. Titan results were slightly below analyst expectations. The reason was the inventory losses arising from a cut in customs duty on gold imports, which reduced profit margins. The sales growth of jewelry segment was good due to the festival season purchases by customers. Gold prices are at record high on Wednesday in international markets as fears of a new trade war between the United States and China intensifies. Titan companies revenue segment wise. Jewelry revenue October-December 2023 12,742 crores. Revenue October-December 2024 16,134 crores plus 26.6%. Watches and wearables 986 versus 1,137 15.3% rise. Eyewear 168 versus 196 16.7% appreciation. Other businesses 313 crore versus 312 and that is minus 0.3%. Titan's management has also mentioned that they are noticing higher gold lease rate which could squeeze margins unless the jewelry companies upward revise jewelry prices. Titan share price fell by 3% today due to the below expectation results. Topic 2. Asian Paints announced its quarter results yesterday just before close of market hours. It fell by 3.4% today. Total sales October-December 2023 9,103 crores. October-December 2024 8,549 minus 6.1%. Net profit 1,475 crores. October-December 2023, October-December 2024 1,128 minus 23.5%. Asian Paints results were below analyst expectations. The sales were impacted by weak festival period demand and below average sales in urban areas. The management, however, expressed confidence in a demand recovery in the coming quarters. Brokers remained cautious on the stock, with most either maintaining their bearish stance or reducing their bullish target prices. Company continues to struggle due to the increased competition from new entrants in the sector, especially Aditya Birla's group paint brand Birla Opus. Asian Paint stock has been one of the worst performers in the Nifty 50, down around 20% in the past 1 year. It is currently trading around 32% below its 52 weeks high, very close to 52 weeks low of 2,208. It closed at 2,276 today. Topic 3. Info Edge shares, the parent company of Naukri.com, rallied by 3% today after it announced that the company board has approved stock split the ratio of 1:5. The face value of rupees 10 will be split into 2 each and hence shareholders will get 5 shares if they hold 1 share currently. Record date for share split will be decided after taking approval of the shareholders. The stock split will enhance the liquidity of company's equity shares and encourage participation of retail investors by making equity shares of the company more affordable. Its share price is around 7,943 currently, so the shares after split could be around 1,580 or so. Apart from running Naukri.com website, it also runs websites such as 99 Acres, Jeevan Sati, etc. It also has stakes in many listed companies such as Zomato and Policybazaar. Info Edge shares rallied by 48% the last 1 year. End of the video, here is the question. It has been more than 4 months of dull markets. Is it the first time in your investing journey that you have experienced such a period of market weakness? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.